From the age of 2 or 3, 80% of dogs and cats have some form of gum disease. We have to remember that the mouth is the gateway to the rest of the body. Keeping our pet's mouth clean helps keep their entire body healthy. Bacteria can spread from your pet's mouth to the rest of the body, affecting the heart, liver and kidneys. This can affect their lifespan. Oxyfresh, finally a dental home care product made easy. Oxyfresh is available as a gel for toothbrushing and a water additive, a no-brush solution. What's so exciting about Oxyfresh is that it doesn't contain xylitol or alcohol and is also tasteless and odourless, which means it has great palatability and it's 100% safe. Oxyfresh gel can be applied with or without brushing. It cleans teeth, soothes gums, freshens breath and reduces plaque and tartar. It's made with oxygen, a safe, non-toxic, neutralising ingredient that you won't find anywhere else. Oxygen combines with organic compounds to actively eliminate bad breath. Toothbrushing is gold standard and necessary to reduce the impact of gum disease in between visits to the vets. Not all dogs will allow you to brush their teeth, so a great alternative is to use a daily water additive. Oxyfresh water additive has the same benefit and no hassle. It's affordable and easy to use. Just add 1 capful per litre of water. 10 seconds per day is all it takes to fight plaque buildup and freshen breath. Oxyfresh is also vet recommended and has been for over 30 years by vets. Due to our belief in this product, we also offer a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. Contact us at IM3 to find out more and to order your Oxyfresh dental home care products.